Now I'm going to show you how to make a handmade envelope. What you'll need is some paper. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet, but you can use any size paper that will fit your card. A ruler is nice to have with a good straight edge. Either some double stick tape or glue, a pair of scissors, and a pencil to mark with. We'll start by taking our card and placing it in the center of the paper. And then take your straight edge and line it at maybe a little bit bigger than the card, just a tiny bit bigger. And then you want to crease that up. So you hold the ruler firmly down and just rub your hand along that to crease the paper. And then turn it around. And just slightly bigger than the card itself, and make sure that it is straight. If you're not confident, you can always go ahead and take a measurement here and then measure it in a few spots and place the ruler along those spots. But you can eye it. This is pretty easy. Okay. Now you want to crease that down harder like that, so you have a nice crisp crease. Place the card back in the middle of the envelope, and we're going to fold up the bottom like this, and then you want to crease that well there, and you'll be folding down the top. Okay.